आहे regarding the adverse effects of adverse effects we have on environment as well as what we are facing these days because of the pollution, the exploitation, deforestation, global warming, these effects. So basically, TechFest Green Campus Challenge is our initiative. Sorry, it's TGCC's initiative for making students aware of the situation these days, and for this we'll be conducting some competitions, that is debate, GD, and some clean campus drives, some green marches. So तुम्हाला फक्त पार्टिसिपेट करायचं. बेसिकली काय आहे की आम्ही हे जे इव्हेंट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये 11 डोमेन्स दिलेले आहेत. डोमेन्स म्हणजे आपले क्लायमेट, सोशल आउटरीच, एनर्जी, जे नॅचरल रिसोर्सेस आपण यूज करतो आणि ते आपल्याला कसे इफेक्ट करतात. आणि सेकंड इज ते टास्क दिले आहेत ईच डोमेनच्या खाली. तुम्ही टेकफेस्टच्या वेबसाईटवर जाऊ शकता, तिथे तुम्हाला इन डिटेल सगळं कळणार आहे. This website has 11 domains and 11 domains has equal amount of tasks in it. So these tasks, they have points distributed accordingly. The points vary from 20 to 200 points according to the level of the task, which is easy, medium, difficult. Difficulty levels of the task, which is easy, medium, hard and complicated. So for this task completion, we have some criteria, like we have to submit documents, we have to submit some photos and videos, which is a part of what we are doing now. So the photos and the videos would be they have this format, and basically all of this is to be submitted by 20th of October, which is their last date. And some levels, like there's some projects which we have to do. The projects contain 200 marks or 150 points. So for these points, we have they have extended the time for that for till December. Okay.
So the team from our college is participating in this event. So we'll be requiring your cooperation in the coming days regarding we'll be arranging some days like Green Day, or we'll be organizing some events like T-shirt painting, keeping the green theme. Then poster making competition. Such events will be conducted. So your active participation will be appreciated in it.
Thank you. And one more thing. There is this web page of our college.
The page is Academy TGCC T. TGCC stands for the Green Campus Challenge. So you have to like this page. Then there's you have to also like the official TechFest page. You also have to search TechFest in the search bar of Facebook. The first option that will flash before you will be the TechFest page of IIT Bombay. You have to like that page also. Then you have to like the associated paper pages regarding TGCC and TechFest. Even you have to like those pages also. And so we've spoken to the system analyst of our college. So he said he'll be allowing the access to Facebook on every Wednesday henceforth. So not tomorrow, after the vacation. So you'll be given access to Facebook. Only if you like these pages, you'll be given access to Facebook.
Yeah, you can log in to your account. Only if you like.
Anything was good, but in that anything was wrong, but then please do it so visible, to green or environment.
म्हणजे आपल्या टीकेटी टीमचं लाईक करायचं आहे, एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट ऑफिशियल पेज त्यांना पण लाईक करायचा. पण त्यानंतर त्याच्या रिलेटेड जे पेजेस असतील आपल्या टीकेटी च्या रिलेटेड, म्हणजे त्या टीमच्या रिलेटेड जे पेजेस आम्ही अजून क्रिएट करू आणि टेक्स्टचे जे अजून असतील ते सुद्धा लाईक करा, कारण ते लोक ते पण कन्सिडर करणार आहेत पॉईंट्स तिथे.
आणि आपल्याला 800 लाईक हवे, सो कम अहेड पार्टिसिपेट आणि शेअर करा. तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सला पण सांगा.
बरेचसे इव्हेंट्स आहेत ज्यामध्ये तुमचं कॉपरेशन लागेल आणि हे आपल्या कॉलेजला पॉईंट पण देणार आहेत, म्हणून आपल्या कॉलेजसाठी बघा.
आणि
So we've spoken to the system analyst of our college. So he said he'll be allowing the access to Facebook on every Wednesday henceforth. So not tomorrow, after the vacation. So you'll be given access to Facebook. Only if you like these pages, you'll be given access to Facebook.
Yeah, you can log in to your account. Only if you like the page. The other thing is the whole college is going to participate as one whole team. There would be no individual participation. So we request all of you, like if anyone who is interested, please participate. Give your names to Vivek Darni or to Akshay Bhage, and then let us know. Do you have some doubts about it regarding the event or something? Yeah.
What are the projects?
The projects, like there are these projects. They are divided according to the
So it's like
department.
there's waste, then biodiversity and management, and then this thing, social collaboration with the media, then such domains are there. So there's one water domain. In water domain, they've given tasks like we have to install a rainwater harvesting plant in a campus itself at departmental or hostel level. So such tasks are there.
This is another project which is like make a product, any product which would be useful for the general mass. That product, like we have to give a finished product with the label, with packaging and everything. So it is up to us what we can decide. The other thing is
Another task is
oil spillage, find an alternative for removing oil spillage. So what we have done is, what we are taking is some biotechnological views on it. If you all have some chemical views about it, we don't know about it much. So you all can come and
you can
share
share
with
on
us.
Facebook,
You
and
can
you can
share
visit the
Facebook,
blog, our blog also.
Yeah, blog is TKIT.
Great Salvador.
This blog, we have created a blog, but then please do so. If you like to comment something, do so after some days, because it hasn't been activated yet. And please on the this TKIT TGCC page, you all can share anything you want, you all can tag anything you want, but then please do it so which is related to green or environment.
म्हणजे आपल्या TKIT टीमचं लाईक करायचं आहे, टेक्सफॅक्स ऑफिशियल पेज त्यांना पण लाईक करायचं आहे. पण त्यानंतर त्याच्या रिलेटेड जे पेजेस असतील आपल्या TKIT च्या रिलेटेड, म्हणजे त्या टीमच्या रिलेटेड जे पेजेस आम्ही अजून क्रिएट करू आणि टेक्सफॅक्सचे जे अजून असतील ते सुद्धा लाईक करा, कारण ते पण कन्सिडर करणार आहेत पॉईंट्स त्याच्यावेळेस.
आणि आपल्याला 800 लाईक्स हवे. सो जस्ट कम अहेड, पार्टिसिपेट,
शेअर करा,
लाईक करा, शेअर करा प्लीज. तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सला पण सांगा.
बरेचसे इव्हेंट्स आहेत ज्यामध्ये तुमचं कॉपरेशन लागेल आणि हे आपल्या कॉलेजला पॉईंट्सच देणार आहेत, म्हणून आपल्या कॉलेजसाठी तेवढं.
आणि अजून
You said that there will be points allotted for all the domains or whatever task will be performed. So can you just elaborate whether each and every domain or task will be having 150 or something points what you said?
No.
Just like difficulty levels. Actually, the task which has easy difficulty level have points 20. Then the ones which have medium have 50 points. One which has hard level has 70 points. The challenging ones have 200 points.
So this TKIT one has so it is if you do some projects, it has 5 points.
We'll be implementing some of the tasks in the coming days, like providing the dustbins for recyclable and non-recyclable waste. So those will be kept according to the color coding. So those will be kept placed in my campus. So you all just have to separate your waste and put in it. We'll be putting a list near it regarding what is recyclable waste, like which products come under recyclable waste and which come under the non-recyclable. Accordingly, you all have to dump it. And we'll also be conducting some tasks like switching off the lights of the hostel for an hour and taking views of the students in the hostel and checking out the difference in the power readings. How much power we can save by saving light in such ways.
Basically, we don't have to do much, we just have to do a bit for it. So let's just do something for the campus, which is so needless today, and let's make it more sustainable.
आपल्याकडे झाडं आहेत कॅम्पसमध्ये, भरपूर झाडं आहेत, ते फक्त आपल्याला फ्रेश ऑक्सिजन देत आहेत, पण आपण त्याचा किती वापर करतोय, किती एनर्जी त्याच्यातून आपण घेतोय हे अजून आपल्याला माहिती नाही आहे. म्हणजे आता रेन वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंगने आपण कितीतरी पाणी वाचवू शकतो आणि ज्या दिवशी काय वेळेस हॉस्टेलमध्ये पाणी नसतं त्यावेळेस ते पाणी वापरता येऊ शकतं, किंवा लॅब्समध्ये वगैरे तिथे एकदम स्वच्छ पाण्याची पण काही वेळेस गरज नसते, मग तेव्हा ते पाणी वापरता येऊ शकतं. असे भरपूर टास्क आहेत जे आपल्याला इम्प्लिमेंट करायचे आहेत, त्यासाठी तुमचं कॉपरेशन लागेल, किंवा प्लीज कॉपरेट.